welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. It got really heated between Mangwabe and Sneh. They had like a heated argument after Umseleko called a meeting with Sneh, Mangwabe, Makhumalo and Mpilo. He wants to address this issue of Sneh not like saying that she does not like Mangwabe and Makhumalo because abamthandi, they don't even give her food, uyalamba bekhona, all the things that she said in the podcast, and also said that she does not like Mpilo because Mpilo thinks she's better than everyone, she undermines her, she looks down upon her. And then Umseleko said first met up with Sneh and then told her that she also called up so they can meet, so they can discuss this issue and solve it. Ato Sneh, when they come here, she's not gonna say anything. What she's trying to do is not going to help, because she's not gonna say anything. In fact, she wants to leave. Atumseleko, no, don't leave Tlala. But Shilo, whatever she said in the podcast remains. She stands by it. And she'll never like them. And then Umseleko, bafike bengena Makhumalo noMangwabe noMpilo abatshele ukuthi uSneh uthi usamile lapho ukuthi she doesn't like you, so bengithi nje sikhulumeni and resolve this issue. Athi uMangwabe if umile lapho while she knows what she wronged us, uthi eqala ukukhuluma uMangwabe athi uSneh mana mbali athi uMangwabe, yo, give me a chance to speak because now uzothola a chance like ukukhuluma. Avela asukume uSneh ahluthuka ahambe. She walked away. Umaphuma Mangwabe asukume naye amlandele. Mangwabe follows her. Athi Makhumalo, it's better that she's following her because masihamba kanje nothing's going to get solved. Athi Mangwabe, nah, she doesn't get to leave today. I'm following her. I want answers. And then amthathe ke uMangwabe outside. Athi uyasondela uMangwabe. When she approaches uSneh asks, don't you dare raise a hand on me, like ungangiqali ungishaye, ungalokothi nje ungiphamisele isandla. And then athi Mangwabe, I just want answers, I want clarity. Asicale ke Sneh, when Macele kicked you out for falling pregnant, who was there for you? Who bought you groceries? USneh athi Mangwabe ukhuluma nje ngama-groceries, grocery usho just one plastic bag which had like 5 kg maize meal. A few things that she does not even buy for her house, things that she bought like she was buying for a dog. A lot of things that like showing that she's ungrateful. And then athi Mangwabe, and then also did Sneh not live in her house for a whole year? uSneh ahluke nje ukuphendula such questions abhiza uSneh athi vele aningifuni and whatever. And then uMangwabe athi uSneh has amnesia because we are there for her, we do everything for her, but she mistreats us. She acts like she's the victim, and uyahamba ihlala namadoda akhe, she goes and stays with a man and then now comes back here and blame us. Athi Mangwabe, they try that by all means to support her, but she's ungrateful. Makhumalo did not even say anything in this argument. She just came approaching just to see what was going on. And then athi Mpilo vele is just like Sneh, to not take accountability for anything. And she's not bothered whether Sneh likes her or hates her. In fact, she sleeps very nicely at night. And then uMangwabe athi uyazini uSneh vele nje una-amnesia. She feels like when she does an assessment, she feels like uSneh akaphelanga kahle ekhanda. She's like, her brain is not fully developed. And then Umseleko ahamba yabona uMangwabe to sort of ask her, why did she just leave, like up and left at the family trip? Because wahamba uMangwabe during dinner, wabashiya besedla. Athi uMangwabe yena nje, she was going to work in the morning, she needed to wake up early, so that's why she left. As Umseleko, how? But so good, like, why didn't you just finish the dinner? I was not eating anyway, so it was pointless for me to sit there. As Umseleko nje, uMangwabe knows why she left. Like, one of the days he's going to say it, just that now akafuna ukusho. It has nothing to do ngumsebenzini. Athi uMangwabe, she doesn't like ukuthi Umseleko acts like he doesn't know. He knows exactly why she left. And then athi uMangwabe nje in her diary sessions yena vele nje so give up. She has given up. I don't know, implying that she has given up on this marriage or in this polygamy yabo. So nje yena so iphilela impilo yakhe. And then Umseleko meets up with Umnini. Umseleko was trying to make Umnini cry, but Umnini was like, not today. He was just asking her, how is he feeling? What speech did he want to make during his party when he started crying and couldn't finish it? Atinje just wanted to thank him for being a good father and for loving him and for caring for them. And then Umseleko said something very weird, saying that Umnini must groom him. amnakekele because umnini indoda, so he must make sure ukuthi umnini uma ethatha unkosikazi, he must not be like uMpumelelo noLwandle, his brothers, because it's like they get their girlfriends on Facebook. So umnini must be with someone that angene naye esikoleni and actually learn that person, because that's why their lives are a mess. What is Mseleko saying? Is he saying that because it's not like we don't have like a full picture of everything that's happening in Lwanda's relationships, but with Mpumelelo, Uvyokazi and Tirelo, is he saying that things are the way they are because Mpumelelo got Uvyokazi noTirelo online? Anyway, Mseleko kuyahamba yobona Macele. They went to the site that Macele has been talking about. Atufuna a site. She wants a house in Makaya. But Mseleko is not supporting this issue of building a house in the villages, saying it's a waste of money. And then they go and see the site. Mseleko criticizes everything about the site. As Macele, she's not surprised because Mseleko never wanted her to get a house in the villages. She says it's a waste of money. Atinje Mseleko was just complaining about everything, the way it's located and all that. So they're going to discuss it further. Maybe they're going to look for another one, or maybe they're going to see how to work around it. I don't know if it's just me, but have you seen how Mseleko is so gentle with Macele? Like, I don't see it with the others. With Macele, is so gentle with her. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Is she going to get a house in Makaya like she wants? Because she already has CPAC, and CPAC is in the suburbs. So will Mseleko let her do this, or is going to just look for another house? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.